Quick step-by-step tutorial monitoring applications in Microsoft Intune. Follow these steps to effectively monitor applications within Microsoft Intune to ensure compliance, security, and optimal performance across all managed devices. Sign in to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Action. Go to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center, endpoint.microsoft.com/ and log in with your admin credentials. 2. Navigate to the Apps section. Action. In the left-hand navigation pane, click on Apps. 3. Select All Apps. Action. Under the Apps section, click All Apps to view all applications managed by Intune. 4. Choose an app to monitor. Action. From the list of apps, select the specific app you wish to monitor. 5. View the App Overview pane. Action. After selecting an app, review the App Overview pane, which includes device status and user status information. 6. Review app details. Action. In the Essentials section, check details like app details, description, publisher, OS, created date, device and user status graphs, installations, failures, pending installs. 7. Check device install status. Action. Go to the Monitor section and select Device Install Status to see a detailed list of devices and their installation status. 8. Export reports for further analysis. Action. Use the export options available to download data for detailed analysis or record keeping. By following these steps, you can efficiently monitor the status and performance of applications across all devices managed by Microsoft Intune.